This is just a quick tutorial on how I set my Tevo Flash up in Cura. So I'm using Cura version 3.6. What you'll want to do is first go through Settings, Printer, Add Printer, choose Other, and Tevo Black Widow, and add. Once that's loaded, click Settings, Printer, Manage Printers. Select the Tevo Black Widow and then Machine Settings, and this is where we set up the printer specifics. So this will be 240 and Y is 240, Z is 250. Everything else you can leave the same. And close. And let's just rename it Tevo Flash. And we're done.